Morning, everyone. It's 8:40, and this is your pre-opening comment for Thursday, Claims Day, 9/23. Okay, so Japan is slightly lower, Asia is slightly higher, Europe is slightly higher. Claims, Thursday, Claims Day. Uh, Initial claims, 351,000. That's up 16. But not exactly, because they revised last week's up to 320, which basically means that we were up 31, not 16. Continuing claims also higher ever so slightly, coming in at 2,845,000, also revised up last week. This is, the same warning I'm going to give you again. Don't count on numbers that they change every other week. So there you go. Chinese government warning local governments about Evergrande, that there are going to be dislocations. There are going to be people who have signed up for and are asking if their homes are going to actually be delivered. There aren't a lot of answers. Beijing says, wait till the last minute, except as somebody on CNBC pointed out, you don't really know when the last minute is till things have turned. Okay, on the earnings front, we had Darden Restaurants with a beat top and bottom line, and the stock is 156.15, up 583, or just under 4%. We had Roku upgraded at Guggenheim, 334, up 923, 2.8%. Last night we had BlackBerry, which recorded a beat top and bottom. That beat wasn't actually a profit, but it was a smaller loss, and the stock is currently trading 1031, up 75 cents, or 9.1%. That's a little lighter than last night. It was up about 10%, but really not bad action. Okay, two names that I want to bring up. One of them I have mentioned before. It's Neurometrics, NURO. The stock had a run from 3 to 38 in days, came all the way back down to 10, all the way back up to 20, all the way back down to 10, and this morning is trading 1435, up 2.5, or 20%. And in deal news, an ADR symbol for MRM, Metarom Medical Technologies. They did an acquisition. The stock closed yesterday at 739, has been as high as 1516 this morning, as low as 902. The last is 1418, up 678, which is a 91% move. This is a minuscule company. They acquired a Japanese hair salon company and relaxation salon. So, not going to discuss this one. Just shows you that news in an area that, they don't have to be too specific, can really move some of these stocks. Okay, before the numbers came out at 8:30, the Dow was up about 190, currently up about 245. The NASDAQ was up about 70, currently up about 87. And the S&P was up about 22 and is now up about 27. So there you have it. Be careful out there. SOFI higher again, and uh, acting really well, over 17 again. Okay, the chart on the screen is the gold, and the gold is down $8 and has been down twice that. Traded as low as 1760. I mentioned this only because last night we looked at the gold, the silver, and the copper, and the gold was the least mover of all of them. The silver was up double digits, and the gold was up 60 cents. So today we have a follow back to the downside. As I said, gold is down 7 after being down twice that. The silver is down 18 after being up 30 yesterday. Copper was up 4 or 5. It's now given back about $3. Oil has come in a bit, but nat gas is higher. Remember, I told you on the weekend and again on Monday morning that I thought 475 was more likely a holding spot than everybody talking about how it had to hold $5. It didn't have to hold anything, but it did hold the rising 20-day moving average. So get this a little closer so you can see it. It did hold that. It did stop on a dime 3 days with lows of 473.5, 474.4, and today 474.1. So we'll see if we can get it started back on the upside. If in fact it does, we'll probably get long UNG calls. It's acted really, really well. Bitcoin is up after touching that magical 40,000 number yesterday. Last is up just 290, but 43,665. Ethereum is also up 55. The dollar is down 33.5 cents. It was up 26 cents yesterday. And the bonds are basically unchanged, up 230 seconds. Don't forget to ask us about the gold futures only trading account that Dennis is running for us. He's having phenomenal success there. And all you have to do is direct message, email, or call me, and I will give you all of the details. It is totally passive and performing really well, and the minimums on it are just $15,000. So have a good day. Be careful out there, and I'll be back later.